Alright, we're at the Renaissance Hotel in Des Moines. Nice looking place. These are pretty solid. LL. LL is locked up to 11. Huh. Strange leveling. What is going on? What? Okay. Elevator had a little moment there. This is a bizarre chair. That's weird. Okay then. Is there a service car? There is. We'll take a very quick look at it. I like this little glass brick window here. Also modernized. Rip. These were probably Otis before. Old Otis. I like the arched ceiling, the curved corners of the ceiling. R for Renaissance. LL is locked. We'll go back to the lobby. But you know what? We'll go to 2. I'd like to see if there's any original lanterns on 2, maybe. Also, I need to go to 2 for the pedway. Taking its time. Wow, this thing levels slowly. It stops. Oh my God. That's a crazy delay. That's an interesting artwork piece. Anyway, I like those doors. That's all.